Welcome back, guys. Today I'll show you how to remove the front loader, the quick attach from the Kubota tractor. Just stay with me. The first thing we have to start the engine, make the bucket level step by step. Okay, so I turn on the engine. We have to lift the bucket firstly and turn a little bit downward like this way. There, and remove these two pins from the both hand, and when you will remove it, you will see here is a small notch, so just push it like this way. Use the same pin here, so that is going to be like a stand for that. Do the same thing at the side. As you can see, we remove these both bars from here and lock it back here. And now this is the time I will twist the bucket like this way until this is going to be touch the ground. I'm just picking up the bucket and moving it a little bit down. You can see that does not still touch the ground. There you go, the bucket touched the ground, but the front thing does not touch the ground. There you go. Let me show you there. So you can see the bucket is like a 30 angle, and these two pick up the whole load that's touching the ground. The both hand. And we will remove this thing while we will twist the bucket. Okay, so I just pick up the bucket little bit, and that is gone very easy. Just remove the pin like this way and leave this one there, and do the same thing. Remove this pin and take off the bar and leave it there. And now we can pick up a little bit more while the hydraulic is there. So I'm just pushing this bar a little bit down so you can see coming down. There you go. And let me take the tractor a little bit backward. So that thing is keep moving and it will leave the tractor. There you go. That leaves the tractor. And make sure don't damage these pipes. And now turn the engine off. Release the whole pressure. There you go. And remove these 4 pipes. And make sure this is the color to make the color combination. Don't forget to lock it, this thing. There you go. And do the lock same way to this one. Remove these two. You can see that is removed. Lock this thing so no dust is going inside. And then turn the engine on, move tractor backward, and make sure this cable is going to remain, just leave it there so that is not going to damage anything. Let me turn the engine on, move it back. I turn the engine on. I'm trying to move it back. So let's see what happens. Just use the safety. There you go. So we just removed the front loader safely. If you want to connect back, just watch my other video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.